This slate coaster was engraved with a Cloudray 30W Easymarker, with a 110 lens. My settings for this job were as follows. Speed 1000 mm per second. Power 80%. Frequency 25 kHz. With a line distance of 0.04 and the type 1 hash at 45 degrees cross hash. The actual run time for this piece was 2 minutes and 30 seconds. The video is running at ×3 speed. Changing the line distance between 0.1 and 0.02 slows the engrave time down, but gives a deeper engrave and more detail in the finer designs.